Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best flower bed irrigation system is probably one of the most crucial investments a gardener can make, especially for those who want to maintain vibrant, healthy flower beds without the constant hassle of manual watering. Imagine lush blooms and thriving foliage, all thanks to a system that intelligently delivers the right amount of water directly to the roots, precisely when your plants need it. This not only saves you time and effort but also conserves water by minimizing evaporation and runoff, ensuring your garden looks its absolute best while being environmentally conscious. It's the smart solution for effortless, beautiful gardening. Number 5. Flantor Drip Irrigation System. Introducing the Flantor Drip Irrigation System, designed to water all your plants simultaneously. Simply turn on the tap, and let it do the work for you. Ensure your plants are watered daily, even when you're away. This system automates watering, giving you peace of mind during business trips or vacations. Setting up this system is a breeze. No digging or plumbing skills are required, making garden watering accessible to everyone. With 2 types of adjustable nozzles, you can customize the water flow for each plant's specific needs. It efficiently caters to different watering demands at once. The 2-way faucet connector allows for multiple watering zones, ensuring consistent water pressure. This eliminates the need to bother neighbors while you're away. Perfect for gardens, lawns, greenhouses, patios, flower beds, and hanging baskets. This system is your all-in-one. What we like. This system is perfect for watering a large area of your garden automatically. If you have a garden or greenhouse covering 50 to 75 square meters and want a simple setup, this is a great choice. It allows you to adjust each nozzle individually, meeting the diverse water needs of different plants simultaneously. What people say. Had most of the parts one needed to set up automatic watering on my rare fig tree collection. Was very easy to set up once I decided on the layout, and it works very well. No leaks. It is very flexible and connected to other irrigation kits with no issues at all. Very adjustable to fit your application and plenty of hose and connectors. The Flantor Drip Irrigation Kit provides a customizable and flexible solution to your watering needs, allowing you to create the perfect system for your unique garden layout. Save water and money with this automatic watering system, which delivers hydration directly to the roots of your plants, reducing waste and ensuring they get the moisture they need. Number 4. HEKIWAY 49-foot Solar Drip Irrigation System. Introducing the HEKIWAY Solar Drip Irrigation System, your ultimate solution for effortless plant care. This innovative system ensures your plants receive the perfect amount of water, exactly when they need it. Designed for all-season convenience, it works seamlessly both indoors and outdoors. Enjoy worry-free, energy-efficient watering powered by the sun or a simple Type-C charge for continuous plant hydration. With 25 timer modes, you can precisely control watering durations and intervals. This water-saving design is more efficient than traditional methods, ensuring your plants thrive without waste. Easily adjust watering based on plant size, environment, and even weather conditions. It intelligently delivers the right amount of water, from small indoor plants to larger outdoor gardens. This kit includes everything you need to water up to 15 pots with flexibility. Its high flow rate ensures efficient and precise watering for all your flowers and vegetables. Stay informed with smart alarms for blockages or low water levels. Enjoy hassle-free plant watering with minimal attention required, thanks to its intelligent design. What we like. This system offers incredible flexibility with its solar-powered operation and indoor-outdoor versatility. If you're looking for an energy-efficient solution that can adapt to all seasons, especially if you need to water indoor plants during winter using its Type-C charging, this is the one. Its 25 timer modes provide precise control for water saving. What people say. The timer is very easy to program and set up. The watering duration can be adjusted from 1 minute to 12 hours. And the watering frequency can be set from every 6 hours to once a week. It comes with 10 different nozzle types, so you can customize the watering for different plants. Number 3. 2025 Quick Connect Automatic Drip Irrigation System Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for efficient watering. It features extended main tubing and distribution tubing, along with numerous accessories to set up multiple systems or one long one. Setting up is a breeze thanks to the Quick Connect design. Simply plug and secure the fittings for a leak-free and stable connection. The included manual guides you through creating perfect irrigation branches. Maximize your water efficiency and save up to 80% on water usage. Its precision irrigation design covers a large area, and adjustable nozzles allow for customized watering for different plants simultaneously. Crafted from premium UV-protected and weather-resistant materials, this system is built to last. It can withstand various climate conditions, ensuring worry-free garden irrigation for years to come. Tailor the water flow precisely to each plant's needs with adjustable drip emitters. From delicate flowers to drought-resistant varieties, every plant receives the optimal amount of water for healthy growth. Achieve high-efficiency, water-saving irrigation with this smart system. Its precision drip technology and controlled water flow ensure consistent hydration, reducing waste and keeping your garden thriving. What we like. This kit is designed for maximum convenience and coverage, featuring a quick connect system for hassle-free setup. If you need to irrigate a larger area, up to 300 square feet, and appreciate durable, UV-resistant materials that ensure longevity, this system is an excellent option. It also offers adjustable spray and drip nozzles for precise watering. What people say. The quality of the tubing and connectors is excellent. They feel durable and built to last through the seasons. What I love most is how evenly the water is distributed to all of my plants. This system allows me to control the flow to each section of my garden, and it saves me so much time and effort. Number 2. Spalolen Push-to-Connect Drip Irrigation System. Tired of complicated setups? Our system installs in minutes with a simple push and lock mechanism. No more struggling or sore hands, just a secure, leak-free fit in 10 minutes. Say goodbye to leaks and constant repairs. Our high-quality fittings ensure a tight seal every time, even under pressure. It's built to last season after season, making watering worry-free. Your garden layout can change, and so can your watering system. Easily modify, reposition, or expand your setup without losing connection tightness. It grows with your plants. Ensure every plant gets the right amount of water. Our system provides consistent pressure distribution across your entire garden, eliminating uneven watering and frequent adjustments. Everything you need is in one box. This all-in-one kit includes tubing, emitters, connectors, and adapters for easy installation and full coverage right out of the box. Need to extend your system? We offer a full range of compatible fittings and tubing for seamless expansion. Keep your garden thriving with easy upgrades. What we like. Installation frustration is a thing of the past with this push-to-connect system. If you dislike struggling with traditional barbed fittings and want a secure, leak-proof connection that's incredibly easy to assemble and modify, this is your best bet. It's perfect for gardeners who like to adapt their setup as their garden evolves. What people say. The primary hose is better than others' kits and easier to work with. The quick connect for the smaller tubes is a huge improvement. The kits come with enough parts to set up a good 50-foot system. Number 1. 118-foot Drip Irrigation System Garden Watering Kit. Setting up your garden's watering system has never been easier. Thanks to its quick connect design, you can assemble it in minutes without any tools, ensuring a leak-free experience from the start. This system provides precise water delivery to up to 4 zones. With 118 feet of tubing and 24 emitters, it ensures your plants get the right amount of water while saving you money. Choose between 2 distinct watering modes, stream flow and vortex flow. This allows you to tailor the watering pattern perfectly to the specific needs of each of your plants. Whether you have a lawn, raised beds, a greenhouse, or fruit trees, this kit is the ideal solution. It's designed to work efficiently in a wide variety of garden settings. Constructed with sun-resistant materials, this system is built to withstand the elements. It offers a reliable and cost-effective way to keep your garden healthy for years to come. What we like. This system provides an efficient and cost-effective way to water your garden with minimal effort. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that's easy to assemble, offers dual water flow options for different plant needs, and is built to last with sun-resistant materials, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for various garden types, from lawns to greenhouses. What people say. The system is easy to install and set up, with clear instructions. It waters evenly and effectively, keeping plants healthy and hydrated. The adjustable timer allows for customized watering schedules based on plant needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.